Oh, I spy with my little light. I spy.
Yes, today we're making periscopes.
Boom shakalaka to all the people that want.
That's right, if you own a submarine or you're a spy, this is a great way to look around corners or look above the water. Yes, let's go make them. So sneaky. Check it out, yeah, we're making periscopes. You've got a place to look into, a mirror, which I've used a CD for, and some pipe up, and then go in the opposite direction, another one with a mirror in. Light goes in, hits the mirror, comes out, and you get to spy on stuff. Yes. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, I wonder what Mr. Roberts is doing. I'm going to spy on him. The idea is you've got to see around corners. How you go about it, what do you have in your house to do this? I just started searching and I found CDs which are working pretty well. I love little mirrors, but I'm not going out to buy mirrors, or I'm not going to break a mirror or do anything like that. And don't. Just use your imagination. You can come up with that. The rest is just plastic. Okay, first things first. You need tubes. You need tubes. I found this awesome box. Look at that. I mean, my other one was made out of bottles, so if you have plastic bottles, use them. But look at that. Yes, and it opens, so I can put the mirror in and close it. Like that. I found a tube like this. Yeah, really cool. Got a little lid as well. Maybe I can use that for focusing. I got a ketchup bottle. I thought that might be quite a good eye slot. And I got like 1 million yogurt pots. Look at all these yogurt pots. So I'm thinking, get this, whack it on there, and I've got myself a periscope. Start. Now I'm gonna find mirror. I'm on the search for a mirror on the wall. Where's the mirrors? And I was looking, came across sunglasses. Lots of mirrored sunglasses. Maybe you have a broken pair. Whoa, that will work. And then I thought to myself, who has the most mirrors? Oh, and I found all the mirrors. They're in these funny little things that I don't know what they do, but these funny little things, they all have mirrors. Mirror. Look at that. Right. It is vital you ask your mother or sister before you use any mirrors from their vanity kit. These little mirrors are like gold. If you take them, then you only got yourself to blame, and we will never see you again, I'm certain. Now, where am I at? Here we go. Da, da, da. It's ready. Now, before I glue it all together, I've got to put everything inside it, because your little hands are not going to get in. Yeah? So you've got to make it all. So I've got this wonderful box like this. I've got little chucks. I've cut them so they've got angles on them. Open this up. And they're going to fit really nicely in here. Yes. Right. Now, back to the mirror search. I need a mirrors. Oh yeah, I found this too. Check out that. This is going to be the best one. Whatever I find mirrors, I'm going to make this one. Right. Can you see that behind me? Yes. I've changed. I'm not messing around with mirrors. I'm going to put black behind a piece of thick plastic. Check it. That's a reflection. It's a good one. Right, black it is. Black like Batman. Black like the night. So it's a day later. I've been searching for mirrors for a whole day. Anyway, I've given up. I'm going plastic, see-through. I'm going to put something black behind it. And that gives quite a good reflection. I've even got glossy black paint. Right, I'm going to do a test. I did a test. Do a test. Look, thick black plastic is okay. Paper, letting light through, not so good. Thicker cardboard, bit better, but letting some light through. Paint, bomber. Look at the paint. It's got a classic. Oh, you can't see the reflection. I can see myself clearly in the paint. So that's the one I'm going for. I spy with my little light. Oh, I spy with my little light. I spy with my little light. This is the big bad boy one. Yeah, you don't have to go this far. I got some plastic tube. Look at that. I love that shape. I've put mirror. I've cut the corner off. Yeah, cut the corner off in there. Stuck a mirror in. And you see that little in the middle? That's the mirror. Man, yes. What's Mr. Roberts doing? I don't know. Anyway, there we go. Yes, okay. So, number one, CDs. I've painted it now so you can't see inside. Love this. Whoa. Okay, number two. This one used the black paint and the hard plastic. Yeah, painted up as well. Good. And number three, the bad boy with the mirrors. Right. Now, Bo is in this room. Bo's in this room and I'm crouched down because I'm going to spy on him. Check it out. He's playing Lego.
My little light, I spy with my little light. Oh, I spy with my little light.
Right, this is Mrs. Franco's office. I'm gonna sneak in. I'm gonna sneak and see what here's doing.
It means forever, ever, or to never mind. Oh, I spy with my little light. I spy with my little light. Oh, I spy with my little light. I spy with my little.
I see Mrs. Moray. She's telling someone to do something. Here's on the phone. This is Miss Franco's office. Miss Franco. I'm gonna spy on her. I'm too nervous. I can't do it. Okay, abort. Mr. Swift. Mr. Swift's in his classroom.
I spy with my little light. Oh,
Oh no, I'm busted.
It means forever, ever, or to never mind. Oh, I spy with my little light. I spy with my little light. Oh, I spy with my little light. I spy with my little light.
Mr. Vosloo. I found Mr. Vosloo.
It means forever, ever, or to never mind. Oh, I spy with my little light. I spy with my little light. Oh, I spy with my little light. I spy with my little light. Oh,
I can see little Matty playing on the ground and Lukey jumping on the trampoline. This is awesome. Guys, don't forget to respect people's privacy as well.